Hello everyone. Very happy to see you again on my channel, where I share precious stories about orchid pots. Here, you not only learn how to take care of plants effectively, but also feel the beauty and wonder of nature through each leaf, each root, and each blooming petal. Enjoy the beautiful moments and the results that the blooming flowers bring. Today I continue to share with you how to effectively care for orchids in the garden using a type of natural fertilizer. I hope this formula will provide you with an additional option to take care of your orchid pots, helping them to always be lush and bloom beautifully. This orchid pot is growing quite well. However, black spots and holes from insect bites have appeared on its leaves. When the orchid shows such conditions, we need to intervene promptly to prevent the plant from getting infected and to avoid the spread of pathogens on a large scale. Even the newly sprouted leaves have been attacked by them. Before making fertilizer for the plants, I will cut off this flower stem because it has turned yellow. This helps the plant focus its nutrients on developing new flower stalks. The ingredients I use to make fertilizer for the plants include 2 chili peppers and 2 cloves of garlic. Chili is a natural ingredient that has a powerful effect in protecting orchids from harmful pests. Garlic is considered a very useful natural antibiotic for orchids. We peel the garlic, then chop the garlic and chili finely. Please tell me which country you are from. It's amazing that we can talk to each other from all over the world. After chopping, we put the garlic and chili into the blender. Please remember to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any useful videos. Then add 500 milliliters of clean water to the machine and blend the garlic with the chili until smooth. If you encounter any difficulties in this video, you can turn on the subtitles in the corner of the screen to follow along better or leave a comment, and I will answer your questions. Next, we pour it into a jar. I shake it up to get all the sediment. The next ingredient I will use is white wine. If you don't have it, you can also use colored wine. White wine has a special effect in caring for and protecting orchids. I use 20 milliliters to dissolve with the garlic and chili mixture.s. Then close the lid and shake well to mix the ingredients, and leave it in a well-ventilated place for 15 days before using. Here I have a jar of mix that was prepared 15 days ago. I will take it out to care for the orchid plant. I will use 20 milliliters of this serum. After 15 days, the active ingredients in it have dissolved together to form a nutrient that is very good for the orchid during the development process and repels insects. Then take 1 liter of clean water, pour in the nutrients, and stir it well. To take it out 15 minutes before taking care of the orchid. After 15 minutes, the compounds in it have dissolved. I will pour it into a bottle to spray for the plants. I will spray evenly on the whole orchid, especially on both sides of the leaves. The more carefully you spray, the more the nutrients will be fully effective. Garlic contains many sulfur compounds, especially allicin, which can inhibit the growth of pathogenic fungi, bacteria, and harmful insects. I will use this nutrient to water the other orchids in the garden. In addition, some nutrients in garlic also help stimulate the plant's natural immune system, making it healthy, increasing its resistance, which in turn allows for better growth of new roots and more durable green leaves. Capsaicin in chili peppers acts as a biological repellent, limiting attacks from mealybugs, spider mites, and many types of piercing sucking insects, helping the plant stay healthy. Instead of spraying, we can water directly onto the substrate. This method helps the roots absorb nutrients quickly, creating good conditions for the plant to grow. At the same time, it provides a nutrient-rich substrate environment, with moisture that keeps the plant in the most ideal environment for development and blooming. Not only that, it contributes to eliminating hidden pathogens in the roots, preventing root rot, and ensuring the growing environment is always ventilated. Ethanol from white alcohol not only has a strong antiseptic effect, but also helps the solution to penetrate better into leaf tissue, while disinfecting the surface of the growing medium. In addition, chili contains many vitamins and trace minerals that support orchids in increasing their resistance. Oh, I just finished watering, and there are already some snails that can't stand the high concentration of nutrients crawling out in search of a new place. It was really surprising when I discovered another snail trying to escape. I'm going to drop it into this mix for it to destroy them. Next, I checked the remaining tree to see if it had the same condition as the previous one. It's not too surprising that this plant is also infested with slugs on the leaves. We need to remove them so that the leaves can continue to grow. So you should persistently use this nutrient once every 2 weeks to nourish the plants, help repel and eliminate harmful insects, and create a healthy environment for the plants to thrive. After taking care of the plant, I place it in a well-ventilated area with gentle light for it to gradually grow. After 2 weeks of being regularly cared for with a natural mixture, the orchid shows a marked transformation in vitality. The leaves have become thicker, greener, and shinier, with fewer traces of spots from fungi or damage from insects. The insect bites have healed, and there is no longer any contact. The young roots begin to grow white and fat, firmly attaching to the substrate, indicating that the root environment has been cleaned and ventilated. The old roots have also significantly reduced the decay, replaced by a healthy and plump appearance. Hope that with persistence and proper care, you will have strong orchids and brilliant flowers in your garden. If you find the video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, so I have more motivation to share even more great techniques on growing and caring for orchids.